AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links so you can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the profile. Go and sign up with these brokers and start your trading journey. And especially if you want to trade with my signals, and have a separate account with these brokers. So go and check out these links, subscribe, like, it's all for you. So coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frames. Okay, if we come back to weekly here, and one more thing, so you can use this analysis for NZD-USD pair as well, because I don't record separate videos for NZD-USD. Okay, so weekly we had been going down. So today is Friday and the candle has been red in weekly time frames. So most probably the week will end red. Okay, so this red candle in weekly is not going to turn blue. So we will finish the week in red. Now we have to figure out, today we have to figure out if we will go further down or maybe further up. So let's get back to daily for that. In daily chart, we are hanging around just around the EMA. Okay, so last time we came below the EMA, we had a rejection and then we bounced back. This time again, we have crossed slightly below the EMA, the last candle yesterday, a red candle. Then today we are going up now. So this is the time when I'm recording the video. This blue candle can easily turn red by the end of today's Forex market. Okay. As if when I'm recording the video, London market is about to open in 20 minutes. US market is about to open in like 5 hours. Okay. So we still have time for this market today, which means this blue candle is blue right now when I'm seeing it. But by the end of the day, this might go down. Okay. But let's talk about the current setup. As per the current setup, we have this new maybe downtrend. So new downtrend, then a new high created. So this new downtrend below, now we have to understand last times, all in all these times pullbacks here, the dollar was not in the uptrend, but I can tell you now that officially dollar has started the uptrend. Okay, now uptrend doesn't mean that it's going to just go up and up. It means dollar is going to take a pullback. Okay, so dollar has crossed above the EMA, so dollar is in the uptrend, but dollar is going to take a pullback, which means the other pairs will take a pullback as well. So in this case, I'm assuming that we'll take a pullback up to maybe 60% and then will continue down. So if you come to daily chart and you use your downtrend fib levels right here, I'm expecting 60% pullback. So we should come back to this price 6540 or 49 or whatever. Okay, so we should touch down this price in weekly in next 2-3 days, and then we'll continue going down. That's what I think for now as per the current setup, because dollar is in the uptrend. Let's go back to 4 hour to see the potential entry. Okay, so as per the 4 hour setup, we are in the downtrend. So this was the downtrend, then pullback, then down, pullback. I'm not looking for buys until this high is broken. Okay, so again, we are in the downtrend. You have to look for shorts after each pullback. Okay, so this was the downtrend. Pullback has happened, and we might go up to the EMA. Okay, so there are possibilities we might have blue candles touching the EMA with the wick, and then rejection, and then the red candle, and then we continue down. Otherwise, we might just carry on going down as per this pullback. Okay, so use your flip levels from here till here. Pullback has happened to 50% already. Now I am, if I would be you, I'll be waiting for one more red candle. Okay, because on Friday it's like a bogus day, bullshit day, because on Friday you will be most likely consolidating. Okay, so we might end up the market as ranging and we have to wait for the breakout on Monday. Okay, but as per this setup, I'm looking for shorts only. So either wait for the candles to see how they go. If it's a breakout towards the downside, enter your short position. Otherwise, it's possible that we might go up to the EMA, reject it, and then come down. Okay. Anyways, so in daily, pullback will happen. That might not happen today, but that could happen on Monday, Tuesday. Okay. So as per the daily chart, wait for the pullback, then go down if you're a swing trader. Okay. In 4 hour, you have seen already what to do. Wait for the rejection from the EMA, then go down. So if you like what you see, then subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram, and join these brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.